Oh my king, you are strong as a young boy.
Am I not a young boy? Is it because of my grey hair?
Of course you are my king.
Honestly, I'm going to make sure you enjoy every bit of this our relationship.
Really?
I promise you that. All arsenals at work.
Now come, I want to give you more sugar, baby.
Okay, come on.
Look at me!
Hey.
Nothing. I was just nothing. You scared me.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one falling my tears. You fall my tears. Can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi ti mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Baby, forget the Kokomo story.
The king said you should come here first.
Shebi, you say you love me. Show it when I'm present, absent, my dear. Shebi, you say you love me. Show it when I'm present. When I'm present. When I'm absent.
Your driving is too bad.
So you have no atom of remorse, Nana. How could you do this to me? Huh? Nana.
Can you please at least move this car? This place is not safe. Move.
Don't talk to me in that manner.
Dozie, you're so wicked. You're heartless, Dozie. So you want me to remain in poverty because of you?
If you talk to me in that manner, I will reset your memory. I will reset your memory.
Try it, Dozie. Just try it and see what I will do to you. Try it. Rubbish.
How dare you?
Dozie, I have been recording everything. And if you don't stop, I will call the king and tell him.
You're mad. Call the king. No, I said call the king.
Dozie.
What are you waiting for?
Dozie, don't touch me again.
I'm touching you. Call the king.
Dozie, don't touch me again. Try it. Try touch me again and see.
Wicked person.
Come move this car. Try it. I'm calling the
believe you're the one. Falling my tears. You fall my tears. Can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi ti mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama.
Go and make money. Common driver.
Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Baby, forget the cocoa story.
Your Highness, there are rumors going around town that you're seen with a young girl in open affection. You've always seen the same girl in the Tanya Hotel. This is surprising. I mean, am I now restricted from talking to my subjects? They are my friends. I want to do anything with anybody. Why do it in a closed town? Where everybody will see. They my good friend. Sometimes when what we seek finds us at the right time. And when it does, it comes with delight. Did the move of getting yourself a new wife? You know I like surprises. Let's drink. So,
Why is your face like this?
It's nobody's business.
Okay. Where is your food?
I don't want to eat.
Are you not hungry?
I said I don't want to eat.
Well, Vero said I should bring this to you. It's your own portion.
I don't want to die. Go and tell her that her food can kill someone. She's a bad cook. Go and tell her that.
Okay. Well, she said I should tell you that it's your portion, so you must eat it.
I reject her portion. Tell her that I don't want her portion. What's your problem? Is it by force? Did you put cotton wool in your ear? Is it not by force to eat?
See, everyone has theirs. This is yours.
If I slap you, it will change color. Take the food out of my face. What's that one now?
Okay. But don't tell me you're hungry.
Muggle. Muggle! Nana. But this time, I need to do something drastic.
What are you doing here?
Do you want to kill me before my time?
I asked, what are you doing here?
What have I done to you? Do I deserve what you're doing to me?
Does he? If you don't leave here, I'm going to call the king and tell him that you're here to rape me. Now leave.
Honestly, I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe that you are the one saying this to me. No, like, this is how you plan to call off the relationship we've built for years?
Don't touch me.
Baby, what is it now?
You have finally put me in trouble. Now you can rest.
What do you mean I have finally put you in trouble?
I don't even know what I was thinking. I don't even know why I opened my legs for you.
Oh, wait. You pregnant?
Yes, I'm in trouble.
No. You're not in trouble, my love. You see, I will be starting my job, the driving job I told you about. And I have a plan of selling their car. Yes, stealing the car, sell it somewhere, and make money for us.
And you think it will be that easy?
Of course, it will be easy. You know why? Because I have set out the plans already. We can sell it, go to another town, start a new life. I can do anything for you and my own. So how about our child?
There is no child. I was only pulling your legs because I wanted something. Yes.
You were only pulling my legs because you wanted something.
You heard me.
Do you love him?
Really? Like, you're asking me that question?
Yes.
Does it come on? You already know the answer. Yes. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me call you back. And what are you doing here?
Anna, what are you trying to do to me? Please don't break my heart.
Dozie, I have told you, go and make money first. Excuse me.
Oh my god. I am pregnant. So it has gotten to the point of ignoring my calls.
Send the documents to the office. It doesn't cost you anything. That's what I said. It shouldn't be anything more than that. Okay, I'll talk to you then.
You ignored my calls.
From the beginning, we agreed that this affection will not come home.
It is very important.
I will call you when I am free. I will call you. Excuse me.
Will punish you. So this woman wants to snatch my joy now that God has finally blessed me. God will punish you. Idiot. Just look at my body. Just look at my body. Nonsense. Who will punish you there, idiot?
I don't like the look on your face. What is the problem? Listen, tell me what the problem is, and I can fix it. If it's money, I'll fix it.
I'm pregnant.
What did you say?
I said I'm pregnant.
What did you say?
Are you angry? If you don't want it, I can get you rid of it.
Get rid of what? Do you know what you're carrying? That's the heir to the throne. In fact, I'm angry that you're even worried. Listen, what do you want me to do for you?
I don't want anything. I just want to be happy.
More than that, I will make you the happiest woman in life. I'll do anything you want for you. I'm telling you. Thank you first. Come on. We have to leave this place. Let's go. Come on. I don't want you to expose yourself to any form of stress at all. You're going to stay here, eat, drink, and ask for anything you want. And then, of course, rest. Okay? All right.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. I saw beauty, and now I feel beauty.
Thank you.
No kiss. Hope my baby is doing okay. Angel, who offended you?
What am I doing here? I'm carrying your child, and if that matters to you, you take me to the palace.
My dearie, it's not as easy as you think.
But it was easy for you to get between my legs. You are the king! Be bold enough to take care of your responsibility!
Watch what you say to me. I'm still King Odinaka.
And I am the girl that is carrying your first seed!
Listen, my dear, you have to calm down, okay? Calm down. Come on. Nana. Nana. Come into the car, let me take you home.
No. No. I am going home. And when I get home, I am going back to the city. You know what that means.
What will you gain by that? Come, I'll take you home.
What?
I'm serious. Come into the car, I'll take you home.
You're serious?
That's what you always wanted. Come on, let's go. Come on.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one falling my tears. You fall my tears. I can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come get me. You marry a Kobe, mama. I'm gonna come get me, monsieur. You marry a Kobe, mama. I'm gonna come get me. Imereya kobi mama, Imereya kobi ti mama, Imereya kobi mama, Imereya kobi ti mama. Baby, forget the coconut story. Imereya kobi mama, forget anything you want to tell me. Imereya kobi ti mama, Imereya kobi mama, Imereya kobi mama.
This young, beautiful lady here is my health consultant. She'll be watching my health till further notice.
Congratulations, Your Majesty, sir. Which further notice?
Don't be silly. Asking me silly questions. Lebechi,
Your Majesty.
take this back to my bedroom.
Wait. Your Majesty, is she health consultancy in your room? She'll be doing it from your bedroom.
Lebechi, take it back to my bedroom. Now the rest of you, go back to your duties. Quickly.
What do we offer you? I have rice, I have fried rice, I have stew, I have fried meat, I have catfish, I have assorted.
I'm okay. Nothing. Yes.
Nothing.
Yes.
Head consultancy. You don't want any drink. We have juice. We have brandy.
She said nothing, Vero. Go back to the kitchen.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Sorry.
Vero.
Sir? The consultancy, that's not her name. I don't know how I'll be addressing her.
Auntie Nana.
Listen.
Okay. So you can go back now.
Your Majesty, sir.
You know, don't mind. She just wants to be very nice.
No, I understand. I understand.
Okay, let's go to the room so that
yeah, very important. Your
health watch can start.
Very important.
We have to help out. Or else she'll take over the king. She'll take over the king himself.
Hi, girls. Don't forget that my birthday is on Sunday, and I want you girls to buy yourselves new dresses and shoes.
We do not need your money because you are committing adultery.
I'm going to forgive you because I am very happy today. Very happy. Girls, are you going to reject my money too?
Of course. Of course not.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
What did you just do? What? We have to help out the queen here. And you're collecting money from her. I don't understand.
And who are we to do so? Are we part of this family? If the king chooses to marry Auntie Nana, what is my business with it?
Please ask her. Ask her. I mean, how can I possibly be drinking medicine for another person's illness? That's not possible.
Well, Veronica, if you like, stand here and be acting obedient maiden. I do not care. See, we are not on the same lane, okay? Are you still standing here?
Driver, that's your friend you brought here. She's evil, causing confusion everywhere. Did you not hear me?
What is your problem now? I don't need that your energy right now. Can't you see that I'm suffering from heartbreak?
So I'm supposed to console you now. I said that Ashawo you brought here is a wicked person.
Can you just let me be?
Driver! 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 Can't you hear your name? Edozie. I want you to meet me inside now.
Can you not see that it's not feeling fine? Is that broken?
I am not talking to you, idiot. And you. If you don't stand up from there, I will tell the king to sack you. You, make sure you clean my room and make my meal before I come back.
No, I'm coming. Don't sack me now. You are asking me for
Listen, it is jazz. It's not ordinary, it's jazz. See the way he stood up like a drunkard.
Want me to beg you to take me to where I'm going to? Don't keep me waiting.
Laura, how could you do this to me? This was not how we planned it.
Dozier, we do not have the same plan.
We do not have the same plan. So you have the mind to pay me back this way?
Please, can you move this car? Just move.
Jesus Christ. So what I'm saying is not relevant, eh?
What is your problem? Dozie, am I the one that is meant to suffer? Dozie, so you're not happy that I found love?
You found love?
Yes!
And that's how you left everything that we planned together? Is this the love we promised each other? Because you've seen money? Is that?
Love.
Why are you so wicked? Why is it easy for you to just say, I've given up on what you've built for years? Why? What we've built for years, it's easy for you to just let go because of money.
Please, just
To be honest, if someone had told me that this will happen, I would never believe. Someone should wake me up from this dream.
Oh, keep dreaming. Keep dreaming, Dozie. Keep dreaming. Just move the car, okay? You clean my room.
What I'm doing?
Where is the food I asked you to prepare?
I forgot.
You what?
Forgot.
You forgot. On your knees.
Huh?
I said on your knees.
Are you Elena? Elena's. Eleni. Elenli. Elenful. Eleni. Even the queen cannot tell me to go on my knees. He said go on his knees.
Hello, Angel. How are you? What's the problem? What's the problem? You're not smiling.
Is it not this ignorance? She keeps pissing me off. Since morning I've been hungry and she's refused to let me into the kitchen. And also refused to prepare something for me to eat.
I'll just explain to her.
Shh. Well, how many times have I told you to take absolute care?
I'm trying to do what she's
Don't talk, let me finish talking.
Yeah, don't ask me because I'm honest.
No. I don't want her in that kitchen. I want her punished now. She must kneel before me. That's her punishment. Your Highness, let's go upstairs so you can freshen up, okay?
Sorry. Yeah. I don't like stubborn people.
And you? I don't want you to stand till I ask you to. Your Highness. I'm coming, Your Highness.
That's Shamila. Veronica, so you can kneel down?
Yes, I can kneel down very well.
Hey! Chimu, so you can kneel down like this? You better go and beg Auntie Nana. Go and beg her. If not, you will remain like this till tomorrow.
If you are waiting for me to go and beg her, all of you, people will grow horny.
Enjoy your position, oh?
Thank you.
Lebechi!
Yes, Auntie.
Whew, what a day.
Oh, honey.
Thank you. My.
So, how was it?
It went very well. In fact, the inspectors will be coming in the next 2 days.
Wow, that's great!
I knew you'd like that. Honestly, you have brought me good luck since you came into this palace, and I appreciate that.
Always. I will always make you happy every day.
Great. You know what? I'm just going to take a shower.
Okay.
And then I'll come back and take you out to lunch. You know Red Lobster?
No.
Eh? Take this off for me, come on.
I will, baby. I will.
You'd like it.
Okay. Make sure, I repeat, make sure she does not get up from that place till I'm back.
Yes, Auntie.
And if she gets off from where she's going, tell her punishment will be double.
Yes,
Okay?
Your Majesty.
Of course, honey. Please, let's go.
I am in charge. Are you going? Hey, I will tell her no. I will not have the money to not see.
Where's the driver? Eten!
Your Highness.
Where's the driver?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, is it done me?
Sorry. Are you going now?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? How could you keep the king waiting and still ask stupid questions? Is there anything wrong with you? Will you take us out of this place?
Take us.
Straight. Tell Veron to wash this clothes manually. That's her punishment for 1 week. Yes, Auntie. And tell Lebechi to supervise her and make sure she washes them well. I will, Auntie.
I'm thinking of preparing a local delicacy for my guests. What do you think?
That would be nice.
Great. Maybe we should just prepare nsala soup. Some nice fresh fish.
Nsala soup.
Yes. Or you don't know how to prepare it? Would you rather prepare chicken pepper soup?
Chicken. Nsala soup would be better. Yes.
That's my angel.
Anything for you.
Yeah, okay.
Auntie Nana, do you want anything? Lebechi, please. Excuse me. You're sure? Yes. Okay. You know I like you, but you're too stubborn.
What do you want?
Can we be friends?
Why?
I need your help.
I knew. What do you want me to do?
Can you cook chicken pepper soup or masala soup?
Who wants to eat it?
We're expecting some visitors in a few days and I must impress the king with a nice delicacy.
Go and cook nsala now.
I would have, but the truth is, I've never cooked in my entire life. I don't know how to cook. So, what next?
You know, I'm only helping you because I'm a very good person.
Don't be angry, okay? But I asked you for forgiveness.
How many guests are coming?
3.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 is 9.
9 times 9.
3 times 9. I don't know. What has it got to do with the cooking?
Yeah, cook it now. Since you cannot answer the question, cook it.
No. I'm sorry. Don't be offended. I'm sorry.
9 times 9, no. If it's to snatch somebody's husband, now you can snatch. Yeah, it's snatchist. It's snatcher. It's snatchy. It's snatched. It's snatchla.
Let me use my phone. 9 times 9 is 81.
81. 81 cubes of seasoning.
81?
The pepper soup will be sweet then. In fact, I will advise you, for every one person, give them 3 spoons of salt. Yes. And then a lot of pepper. They will never ever forget the pepper soup. They will never remain the same again after eating it.
You're a nice person.
Now you talk more.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Too small.
More. You're a nice person.
I know.
Oh.
The king will be very proud of you.
Thank you.
Do you have more pepper?
Yes. More pepper. Yes, pepper. Honey.
Oh, my love. I can perceive the aroma of your delicacy.
Well, I'm done cooking. Let me quickly go and take my shower.
Oh, wait. You have to be fast about that.
Okay.
Because our guests are already on
I
their way.
will. Let me... Auntie Nana?
Yes?
Veronica said you should taste the soup.
I should do what?
Taste the soup.
Tell Veronica that I said she should leave my kitchen at once.
Drop that thing and get me a bottle of red wine. Drop it there.
And whose wife is a good cook.
Count himself lucky.
Wait till it tastes.
Starter. No. Thank you. Smells nice. The delicacies of the cake. I thought we were going to pray before. Forgive my manners.
Gentlemen, enjoy yourselves.
I thought you wanted to pray. Thank you. What is this? So much salt and pepper. What is this?
What's going on?
Your Majesty, excuse me.
Let me see. What's this? What's this?
Your Highness.
Thank you for having me.
Your Highness. What's Your Highness? What's Your Highness?
Disappointed at you. You should have told me you do not know how to cook. The simple thing I would have done was to order food from the golf house.
No, I suspect Vero. I suspect Vero went into the kitchen to ruin my efforts.
Batadash! And stop lying on her. I mean, she confirmed to me that you told her to help you out in the kitchen. Now listen to me. Stay out of that kitchen. Stay out of the kitchen.
You're shouting at me. You're shouting at me now because I love you. Don't worry, I know what to do. I'll go back to where I came from and take care of my son alone.
Hey, listen, I wasn't shouting at you.
You are.
I wasn't shouting at you. I just wanted you to know the truth. I mean,
Go back. I'll go back.
okay, listen, I'm sorry, okay? You don't have to think of going away with my son to raise him outside.
Are you sure?
It's okay. Don't worry, I'll compensate you. I'll order for food, okay?
Tell me sorry.
Sorry. It's okay. Vero, I called you because I want to let you know that you will be in charge in the kitchen from now.
In charge of the kitchen?
Yes. Everything going on in the kitchen, all the activities there, you'll be in charge.
The way Ete is in charge of the gate?
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
You should be congratulating yourself.
No, you
just make sure you don't fail to impress me at lunchtime.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay?
Sir. Yes, sir. Congratulations again, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
It's okay. Lunchtime is almost. Don't fail to impress me.
Oh, lunchtime.
Go inside and prepare lunch. That's what I'm saying.
Yes. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations for a good decision, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir.
Bella Doctor Palace, Obuluze Market, Ebana Ito Belala. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even the way and Lala because of Vero. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even the way and Lala because of Vero. Bella Doctor Palace, Obuluze Market.
you say you know the answer? Now you call me Veronica. You call me Vero, then you get mine, put Nika on top. Go, I beg. You see me here so, I did duty. If you see me here so, I did act from order from above. So don't come here, can't distract me. Allow me concentrate.
It's alright. I understand. See, I only come for what I'm hungry.
Am I your mother? Yeah. Go and drink water. Okay, don't disturb me, please. I'm busy. Go. Hey, stop that.
The king wants to see you now.
Is it in your watch?
Come back here. Where are you going?
I want to go and check my watch. She asked a question.
What has been keeping you?
Your Majesty. That work that you gave me is not small work. Oh. It's very, very tasking. And I like it, so I'm doing it very well. I can do it 24/7.
Vero, please. I'm famished. Get me something to eat.
You're famine.
Not famine. What she means is that we are hungry. Go and get it on.
Your Majesty, even me, I'm very hungry.
You're sitting.
My eyes are turning me. I'm seeing my grandmother and my grandfather, all my relatives that have died. I'm communicating with them because of hunger.
Listen, Vero, can you just stop talking and go and get the lunch? What?
The lunch? Oh, okay. Okay.
What's going on?
Please, Nebenchi, just say the thing, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
I'm sorry. What do you say I should go and do again?
Silly. Our food.
That is the lunch now.
Yes.
My sister, why did I come here?
Go and get their lunch.
That is what they will eat. Right? Your Majesty, I'm going.
Just go! What's this all about?
Where did you get this girl from? Where is she from?
Bella don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Eba na yito belala. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even
Hey! So Veronica, you've been here sleeping while the king is waiting for his lunch.
How long have you been here? Because nobody is allowed to this kitchen without my permission.
What is wrong with you? The king has been waiting for his lunch.
The king is waiting for me?
Yes.
Why?
Hey, Chimo. Veronica, please, can you stop all this your drama? Can you stop all this your drama and serve them lunch?
Lunch?
Last supper, breakfast.
Lunch.
everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even Igwe and Lala because of Vero. Vero don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Eba na yito belala. Everybody they hear we because of
Where is she? She's coming.
Which food?
The food I asked you to prepare since morning, Pero.
Oh no, Your Majesty. You don't tell me to prepare any food. You said I should get man security in the kitchen. And that's what I've been doing there since, manning security.
You mean you didn't prepare any food?
Oh goodness. For where? No. I've just been there. I've just been there, very hungry. Manning security. Nobody coming. You say like a 10 now?
Get out of my sight.
Okay, sir.
This girl is a witch. I told you. Just get out. You're telling her to get out. So you're not going to punish her.
I'm not ready to run, man. I don't have that time. Please, let's go out to lunch. Let's go to town. I can't stand this. Let's go. You're still waiting for her. Let's go.
Meat? Flesh. Veronica said she is looking for some pieces of meat. Did you take them? And she is there accusing Auntie Nana.
If Auntie Nana did not take it, I am sure you're the one who took it because I don't trust you.
Ego, you are mad. You are mad. In fact, you do not have sense. Anyway, I don't have your time. I want to watch them fight. You see this fight between Vero and Auntie Nana? I will watch it. And I'm sure Oladi did not touch that pot. You. Ego, I am suspecting you.
No. Don't tell me that. I deserve the better place in this palace. For crying out loud, I am carrying your child, possibly the heir to the throne.
And that's why I appreciate you so much. Listen, you are very important to me, Nana. And possibly to the entire kingdom very soon.
And you want me to leave your bedroom because your barren wife is coming back from London?
Listen, I'm not asking you to leave the palace. I'm just saying move to the guest room. I mean...
And act like a new maid for a woman who cannot even give you a child.
I'm not asking you to do that. Listen, she will know very soon that you're my new wife. Just step down briefly.
You are the greatest mistake of my entire life. I'll fix it.
Stop this. You have to stop this.
I am leaving this house today.
You cost you. Please.
Please, you have decided to behave like a well-trained person. Go home. In fact, I help you carry your bag.
Will you take that bag inside?
Your Majesty, she wants to go home.
Driver! Driver!
Take the bag inside.
I am going home. I want to go.
Leave the bag. If I get out of my sight.
Majesty.
I said go inside.
I am going home. I am going home. When I get home, I'm going back to the city. I'll raise my child alone. I'll raise him well.
Don't say that. Listen, okay. What if I place you on a daily allowance of 200,000 rand for you and the child, and then you stay in the palace? Come on, this is no time to cry. Don't let people mock you. Come inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. It's okay. I don't understand why you are crying. In a few months, you'll be the mother of a potential king of this kingdom. You should be happy.
What about your wife? She might kill me if she learns that I'm pregnant for you.
I don't know why you allude to such information. She'll never do anything. And if I suspect that she has such a plan in her head, I will send her back to her people. Feel safe, my dear.
Promise. Promise you will not hurt me.
Oh, come on. How can I hurt a woman who is carrying my child? Nana, I love you. It is my duty to make you the happiest woman on earth. I promised that before. I will still do it. Listen, to prove that to you, tomorrow I will buy you a new car. Okay?
Thank you very much. You're a good man. Thank you.
It's okay.
Vero, it is delicacy. One of them is Deli, my queen.
You must stop. Hey! I thought by now you should have changed.
Assistant! Come. Come on, drink the cream. Yeah, shy.
Which?
Shy.
Why don't you?
Are you shy?
Your assistant.
She's the new cleaner chef.
Shyers.
Go and prepare the room like I said.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty. Not worry. I'll tell you the entire story from A to Z.
Go and prepare the room now.
Oh, yes, sir. I go now. Shyer.
My name is Nana.
Are you from this town?
No. From the neighboring town.
My queen, why don't you just go upstairs, freshen up and have a rest? You can't ask all this later.
I'm very hungry. I want her to go get me something to eat. Since she's a new cook. Auntie, she's a cook, right?
Yes, then she'll do that. Let's go upstairs so she'll do that. Let's go, come on. You've had a hard day traveling out. So you can go.